Pilot,
Hello.
how are you?
Hello. How good?
Okay, so which plane do you have?
Boston 47 machine and Airbus A380 is not machine. So you have to go on
The
Airbus.
Boeing 747 is on mission. And
Yes, Boston 47 already take off.
okay, and which other one?
And Airbus A380 is not take off.
Airbus C380 now take off.
Yes, Airbus A380.
So which airplane, which aircraft you can fly?
I can fly Airbus A380 on British Airline.
British Airlines.
Yes, British Airline Airbus A380.
Okay, and what is your name, Mr. Pilot?
Waleed Ahmed.
Waleed Ahmed.
Yes, and I also have window up and window down.
Open up and window down.
Yes, you want to go on up seat.
Yes.
Okay, so give me passport first.
Here, this is my passport. Which passport I have?
You have this is Airbus A380 British Airline passport.
Okay, which country I am from?
You come from
Which country I come from?
London.
London. And which country are you from?
From London also.
What citizen have you got?
American.
American.
Yes.
Okay, you're not British.
Yes, I got American. First actress city on his end, then on another his end, then everywhere to remember this city, then everywhere to then everywhere.
Okay.
So I
Okay, which country mama from?
from this country.
No, country.
Express.
Mama British?
Yes.
No. Where's ma? Huh?
Oh, Bangawi.
Huh?
Bangawi.
Bangawi. And Abu?
Bangawi.
No. And Munna?
English.
Munna?
English.
English.